Hi, Lisa here with some more short tips from the decorative arts. Today we're going to talk about hard and soft edges. What does that mean? Well, as you can see here, a hard edge is very defined. A soft edge kind of disappears maybe in spots. And these two techniques are very important to your painting. No matter what you're painting. And a good point to remember is you will never get a hard edge on wet paper. You will never get a soft edge on dry paper. So that's where this technique comes into play. And what you want to do is get your paints out and practice. Put it on the back of something you're not very fond of. Just get some practice in. Make a straight line. Okay, and that's pretty thick, right? Okay, I guess I do have a lot of water in there, you can see. I don't want to add any more water, so I'm going to clean my brush. And for right now, you can look, that's what we would call a hard edge. It's sharp, it's defined. Now, I want to make this a soft edge. And because I have my paper on a support that I can move, I'm gonna make it easier for me to do this. Now, I've cleaned my brush. It is damp. It's not going to add water because that's gonna give me trouble. So I blotted it. Now, I'm coming in from what we call the dry edge. The paper is dry. And I'm just kind of tickling that edge and just kind of coaxing it to be, just kind of come out and blend a little. That's a soft edge. I've not added in more water, but I have softened this edge here. And if you need to go back in, make sure you clean your brush, because when you're doing this, you're actually picking up paint. Now, let's do another. Let's just do a circle here. And you could do this in a lot of different paintings. This will add interest to be able to have a hard, both hard and soft edges. Just adds a lot of interest to your painting. So it's a good thing. Okay, there's my hard edge. Now, I'm going to clean my brush. Blot it, or actually wipe it good, so I'm not adding more water. Now I'm going to come in from what we call the dry side and moving my brush. And I'm not going to go in there real deep, real hard. I just want to soften that edge. And by coming in from the dry edge, so to speak, I'm actually adding a little water to the paper so this can flow out and soften. So here is your soft edge. Yeah, there's an example. That would be good for a moon. Florals, just about anything you can think of. So, I hope you enjoy this. I hope you practice it. You know, just do lines, circles, squares, whatever you want, and or, you know, go into making something. And while the paint is still damp, go in and soften an edge. Thank you.